Let's look at our other big story this morning. Police have retreated from the streets and allowed a wave of antisocial behaviour to sweep across England and Wales. That is the view of the Chief Inspector of Constabulary, Sir Dennis O'Connor. He warns cuts to policing could lead to a spiral of economic and social decline.
When I walk, I talk. You better keep your distance. You're all bark, no bite. It ain't hard to go missing. 'Cause when I walk, I talk. You better keep your distance. You're all bark, you're all bite. It ain't hard to go missing. Run up on me and get your wig split. Rips it, bitch, this ain't no game. Water red as heat, can you feel those flames? My heart went cold, I don't feel no pain. Screaming, fuck you when I see low tang. I'm a sick bastard, I'm thick dastardly. Bitch bad on me, get battering. What's happening? It's Castle. Get your phone, get your password. Say no, get your eyes full. Now I'm joking, but give us a fig, man, I'm joking. And I'm sick on the mic, man, I'm broken. Open a bottle of wine, it smells potent. And I'm feeling divine, I be floating. But when I'm reading my lines, I be doting. But they aren't better than mine, I'm being wrong. I talk, you better keep your distance. You're all bark, no bite. It ain't hard to go missing. 'Cause when I walk, I talk. You better keep your distance. You're all bark, you're all bite. It ain't hard to go missing. And
where I'm from, you better walk quicker than the average. Everybody's tooled up like a bunch of savages. So tell me, can we even man these dudes carrying hatchets and hammers? Get your brains bashed in, feel pain that's everlasting. Witnesses get blasted just for a packet of fags and some matches. Cops who's scared to ask you what he saw, who he seen next day. It's a crime scene. I guess you say damn empathetic. Don't open your mouth or you'll regret it. Body set in cement in its uttery setting. Missing family? Well, come get your bets in. Watch where you're walking or it might be your last thing. Kids, cats and dogs get caught in the blasting. Where from me, you know it's a mad thing. Keep to yourself, I promise you I'm not acting.
When I walk, I talk. You better keep your distance. You're all bark, no bite. It ain't hard to go missing. 'Cause when I walk, I talk. You better keep your distance. You're all bark, you're all bite. It ain't hard to go missing.
Let's take you back to our main news this morning. Just under half of all the calls made to the police last year related to antisocial behaviour, and yet, as we've been hearing in the news this morning, a new report suggests that officers often don't see tackling it as real policing.
When I walk,